Hello guys, this is Andrew with Precision Auto Masters at 725 San Pedro. We've been in business for 20 years. We will rebuild and install your engine and transmissions. We also do air conditioning service. We will weld your mufflers. We'll even cut your car in half for a reasonable price. Come down to Precision Auto Masters. At Precision Auto Masters, we believe honesty is the best policy. We won't sell you anything you don't need. We would rather put your money on what your vehicle does and will need soon. We also do financing up to $3,000 with great approval rates. But if that doesn't work for you, come by and talk to me. I'm the owner. I'll do whatever I want for you as long as I make you happy. Come by and see us at Precision Auto Masters, 725 San Pedro, San Antonio, Texas, 78212, 210-525-0044. Thank you guys and have a great day.